Module 1, Lesson number 3, Definition of Terms. Number 1, a documents. Any materials contains marks, sign of single, either visible, partially visible, invisible, which convey a meaning, a message to someone. Question documents. Any documents about which some issues has been raised is under security is referred as a question to a document. 3. Disputed documents. The term disputed suggests that there are argument, controversy on the document. And number, holographic document. Any document which is completely written and signed by one person has holographic. Examination is the act of making close and critical study any material which question document is the process of necessary that is cover the facts about them. Comparison is the act of seeing two or more items side by side with identifying qualities. And microscopic examination, any examination or study which is made with microscope. In order to discover, we need physical details. And ultraviolet radiation is visible and occurs in wavelength just below invisible violet end of the spectrum. And model signatures. Aging new signatures which has been used, prepare, imitate, or trace in forgery is known a model. And handwriting is a visible effects of the bodily movement which is almost unconscious expression, contains ideas with the script form. Copybook form, the designs of letters which are fundamentals to writing system and standard remain those or origins are known and can be proven, which can be legally used as example to compare with the other matters in question. And exemplars, specimen of the writing as of suspect. And trace forgery is executed by the following outline of the genuine signatures in writing instrument. Habit. A writing habit in any repeated elements or details which may serve of individual's writing. And characteristics. Any property or marks which distinguish in a document examination commonly refer to and identify details. And cursive writing in which the letters are modeled part and joined together in cursive. And natural writing, if any specimen's writing executed normally without any attempt to control, to identify habits, and it used quality execution. Movement, it embraces all the factors which are related to the motion of the writing specimen skills, speed, rhythm, and the like. Pen lift, an interrupt and a stroke by the removing writing instrument from the paper. Pen stop, in a distinguish from pen in a temporal sensation improvement, change direction of movement or stroke. And pen pressure, the average force which the pen contrasts in the paper. And retouching, writing which punching are used mostly, and shading is the element of the ink stroke due to the added pressure on the flexible pen, the use of the tab pen. Slant is the angle of alienation of the axis related to baseline. Tremor, a writing weakness portrayed by irregular annually stroke. And character in connection with the typewriting identification, the term used to include the letters, symbols, numerals, and points of punctuation. And defects, its individualizations and identification, and horizontal management, alignment defect in which character prints to the right after test or its proper position.